Hello! In this video I'm going to make a Quarantine Mary, which is a Bloody Mary in quarantine. Welcome to Fretzno TV, London, music, live venues and travel. See more by subscribing and clicking the bell notification. Personally, I'd have set fire to my kitchen service, but I couldn't find anything inflammatory for this video. No time like the present, so let's see if you can help make this video go viral. Let's jump right in and list the ingredients. Very similar to a Bloody Mary in many ways. Pepper, can of Italian Plum tomatoes for the tomato juice, Cabaret Kalashnikov vodka from Berlin, thank you for getting me that, Katie, Chinese 5-spice and Szechuan sauce. Due to shortages, we just put some labels on some similar tasting stuff, really. These are hard times. Some Quan Lung medicinal oil, which I had been storing for just such an occasion. Soy sauce, which is a perfect substitute for Lian parents. Some cough mixture, lots of coughs and sniffles going around at this moment. Salt. TCP antiseptic, just to be on the safe side. Lemon juice. And, I have no idea what that is. Never mind, let's chuck it in. Toilet roll to mop up any spillages. Literally can't move for toilet roll. Last but not least, a vessel to hold the cocktail. A teapot, couldn't do without it, not for all that tea in China. Tomato juice, 1 times can of Italian plum tomatoes. Open it up and tip it into the blender, carefully. I mean, it can't be that difficult. How much of a mess can you make? Oh, I've got it all over my cuffs. Well done. Prepare the blender. Stick things and other things, to press the blender button and watch those plum tomatoes get liquidated, much like the economy. How symbolic. Look at that. Instant tomato juice. So here's the fun bit. Chuck it all in. Look at that thick tomatoey loveliness. One of the 2 essential ingredients of the classic Bloody Mary invented in Paris about 100 years ago. Thick tomato juice and vodka. Anything else is merely a superfluous addition, depending on your personal taste. Those who might say otherwise, well, no one fucking cares, really. It's got vodka in it, the rest is just pure profit. If you're busy debating it, you probably just like the sound of your own voice. The rest of us are getting on with the important activity of drinking it. Where were we? Vodka. Just a dash, really. No need to pour it all. Oh, sorry. Okay, just chuck it all in. That'll do. On to the critical ingredients that make up this bad flu quarantine Mary. Szechuan sauce. Chinese 5-spice. Just a dash, not too much. Grind in some pepper. Really work those wrists. All that time spent indoors makes a big difference, you know. Bit of salt. I mean, technically this is a meal. Soy sauce in place of your Lian parents, obviously. Dash of lemon juice brings out that lovely tangy citrus aroma, goes well with tomatoes. Yeah, whatever that is, chuck it in. Some of that magic Chinese medicinal oil, just a dash. Smells weird. What's the worst that can happen? TCP, obviously. This is a pandemic after all. Yep, I really did that. Yeah, quite a distinctive smell. To top it all off, some cough mixture for that dry, tickly cough. Stir well with anything you find, really. For example, this solitary chopstick I found in my cutlery drawer. Stick the lid on. No particular reason, just, it looks symmetrical, really, doesn't it? It just looks nice. And of course, in these environmentally aware times, you can recycle the Italian plum tomato can. Pour a generous helping of your Quarantine Mary straight in, add the traditional garnish, a stick of celery, don't forget a paper straw. There, that'll stop the ice caps melting. Good work. And drink. Tasteful. You like this channel? Thank you. Remember to subscribe to see more. And if you want this channel to grow, be sure to click the notification bell as well. See you again very soon. Cheers.